DJI Mavic 3, Hyperlapse with Waypoints. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Back in a firmware update in December, DJI added the Hyperlapse feature onto the DJI Mavic 3. Today I went out and took the Mavic 3 up for a test with Hyperlapse using waypoints. Let's see how that test came out. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test Hyperlapse here with the Mavic 3. This will be the first time that I've used Hyperlapse with the Mavic 3, so I'm really excited to see what we get here. It's a cloudy day here today in Florida, but let's go ahead and get the show started. So go ahead and do auto takeoff.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Get it up to about 100 feet here. Go ahead and set 2 waypoints here. Okay, I'm going to descend in altitude just a little bit. Around 100 feet. Let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal here a little. Okay, so the camera rotation angle is 0, too small. Okay. Says it's good. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to take this to our second point here. Let's fly it down there. And we're right around 100 feet here. The entrance to development here. And I'm going to want to flip it around. Okay. I'm going to back this up a little bit. Adjust the angle here. And I need to adjust.
The The aircraft is heading to the first waypoint.
So it's going to go back to the first waypoint here. And pictures are underway here. It's scheduled to take 200 pictures here. It's good that this isn't a very windy day, because hyperlapses don't have a tendency to look real wobbly on windy days here. But so far so good. It's looking pretty good here. And it's traveling at about right around 2 miles an hour. Just finished 80 pictures. The elapsed time of the total flight is about 7 minutes right now. Have 3:45 left on this waypoint. Just did 110 out of 200 pictures. Two minutes, 30 seconds left. this to 130 pictures. Now 140 pictures. Okay, it detected an obstacle, which is awesome. At this point, since that's happened, it has paused. My thinking is it probably was a bird.
Video synthesis completed.
Okay, it completed the video right there. I wasn't able to get to the second waypoint. Obstacle detection, obstacle avoidance works, so we'll do a return to home here.
Go home.
Okay, looks like we're overhead. We're
Landing.
gonna go ahead and land right now. All right, that was first time of the hyperlapse with the Mavic 3. As you can see, obstacle avoidance worked with the DJI Mavic 3. I have no idea what it saw. It probably, my guess is it may have even been a bird, but it stopped. So that was a very good thing. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mavic 3 Hyperlapse with Waypoint? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.